Which one of these trucks are you choosing for surviving crashing into this police car? Ford F-150 Raptor. Fingers crossed they had insurance. Chevrolet C10. Poor little guy had no chance. Tesla Cybertruck. Elon, I thought this was bulletproof. Hummer EV. You're a big body, you'll survive. Dodge Ram. Next time, dodge that. Fire truck. I guess you're not saving anyone. Ford Super Duty. You're not so super after all, huh?